Welcome to comfy, bright and social student life at June Homes 02139 Boston. Depending on your choice of charming new non-ensuites, you'll unlock lavish hardwood flooring, tons of closet space, a warm bed for dreamy snoozes, radiator heating, and a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher for easy cleanup. Plus, with free laundry at home, tackling heaps of clothes is a breeze. Catch up with friends in the furnished common areas with central AC to keep you cool always. Your safety is the priority with smart locks. Enjoy delicious meals in the dine-in kitchen and get comfortable in the lovely living area. With speedy Wi-Fi available, you can crush assignments and catch up on your favourite shows with no interruptions. When Massachusetts Institute of Technology and Harvard Business School are a short walk away, you can easily turn college commute into quick cardio. To explore the city seamlessly, just hop on a bus from Green Street at Pearl Street or Western Avenue at Green Street. So grab your spot at June Homes 02139 Boston now with amberstudent.com.